morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It's April 26, 2017. We've got lots of rain on the way for the region over the next few days. Some flash flooding likely, especially over Missouri and Illinois. Some severe thunderstorms also possible both today and Friday afternoon, evening, and Friday night. And again, possibly on Sunday. A very active few days ahead of us. Let's take a look at radar this morning at about 8:30 a.m. and we see a band of showers and thunderstorms to our west. Now this was a solid area overnight with some severe thunderstorm warnings northwest of St. Louis. All of that dried up and left an outflow boundary that's moving through our region. We do have quite a few clouds over southeast Missouri, parts of southern Illinois. That's going to keep instability down, and we'll have to see as these storms move northeast later today whether or not we might have some severe weather over pretty much anywhere in the region, but especially southern Illinois, west Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, and southeast Missouri. Maybe lesser chances as you move towards the Pennyroyal area of western Kentucky and northwest Kentucky as well. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch already this morning for parts of Arkansas, and we're probably going to see some additional watches issued as we move through today. We take a look at the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook, and the entire area today has a risk for at least some severe weather. Red zone here, that's a level 4 out of 5. A moderate risk over southern Arkansas, the orange area, a level 3 out of 5. That enhanced area moves into southern Missouri. The Boot Heel might even need to extend that further northeast, as the best dynamics should actually be over far southeast Missouri, southern Illinois, west Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, and then back into Arkansas. All modes of severe weather are possible today. We look at the tornado outlook, greatest risk down in Arkansas, but we do see some chance into our area as well. We look at wind, and we see quite a bit of risk here for damaging winds over the Boot Heel down in Arkansas. And again, this may need to be extended northeast a little bit as the latest data shows stronger dynamics further northeast as well. We also look at the hail forecast. Again, the highest risk going to be in that southern part of Arkansas where the moderate risk has been issued by the Storm Prediction Center, but a hail risk in our area as well. Heavy rain is going to be another concern. Let's take a look at that on some of the models. Let's take a look at the HRRR model. This shows you what Futurecast radar might look like later today, and we'll move through the morning hours. We'll stop here at 12 p.m. You see a line of showers and thunderstorms from central Missouri back into northern Arkansas. Now this will be moving into an area where there's already been clouds this morning, so we'll just have to see how much severe weather actually develops. One thing we're going to be watching for are bow echoes. That's where thunderstorms start to bow outward and you get damaging wind gusts. So we keep moving through the afternoon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Now we see this first band of showers and thunderstorms move into Illinois, but you see how it weakens over southeast Missouri down into extreme southern Illinois, and then Tennessee, Arkansas. This part here weakens as this moves out to the northeast, and then we'll watch this second batch of thunderstorms develop along the front, and some of these could be intense or strong. Again, we'll be watching for bow echoes on radar, or line segments on radar. Those would be the ones that could produce hail, damaging winds, and even a tornado risk, a tornado or two possible today. Keep moving through, and we'll stop here at 7 o'clock, and we see the line of thunderstorms from north of Mount Vernon down into Carbondale, Cape Girardeau, and then the Missouri Boot Heel. Now this is a Futurecast radar based on a model, so it won't be exact, but you get the general idea that later this afternoon and evening, a squall line will develop over Missouri and Arkansas, push into our area, storms moving east-northeast at 50 miles an hour, and some of the storms could become severe, again with hail and damaging winds and possibly some isolated tornadoes. We'll move through the evening hours, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Now as we push further into the night, this will weaken as we're going to lose the instability, whatever instability develops today. The Cape numbers, perhaps 1,000 to 1,500 or so. Those will go down as we lose the heating of the day. Sun sets, night falls. We'll lose some of that instability, but still some heavy rain and gusty winds with these storms as they continue to push eastward. Here we are at 1 a.m. You can almost see that spin here of the system. And then here's your line of thunderstorms back into parts of southeast Illinois, northwest Kentucky, and Tennessee. So again, the greatest risk for severe weather later today and tonight probably going to be Missouri Boot Heel, northeast Arkansas, into parts of southern Illinois, far west Kentucky, and northwest Tennessee. Somewhere right in this area right here probably has the greatest risk for severe thunderstorms. Remember that a watch means to monitor updates, and a warning means to seek shelter until the storms pass. I'll be utilizing the text messaging service today. You can sign up for that at beaudotsonweather.com. I'll have some more video updates as we move through the day.